Assalam O Alikum, what is up, and welcome in this another video. I hope you're doing fine, good, cool, and having chill. If you guys are new here, so please subscribe this channel right now for getting my more tutorials, and turn on your bell icon for getting the notification of my next videos. And I'm on Instagram. You guys can easily follow me on Instagram. Link of my Instagram is in the description. And if you guys want to purchase these turbans from my outlet AD, so you guys can purchase. WhatsApp number and Telegram number is given in the description. We deliver in all over the world, and all the turbans delivery charges will not be taken. Delivery is free in just Pakistan. So in this beautiful tutorial, I'm going to show you that how can you tie this beautiful Bumsi look turban that I'm tying right now. So let's watch that how can you tie this beautiful turban.
وميض الحب ألبسني حنينا لم يغب عني لأني منك هل أنسى بأنك دائما مني وميض الحب ألبسني حنينا لم يغب عني لأني منك هل أنسى بأنك دائما مني بأنك دائما مني ويمنح عمرنا دفئا أب بشعوره يهني وأم قربها جنة وقلب باذخ الحسن ويمنح عمرنا دفئا أب بشعوره يغني وأم قربها جنة وقلب باذخ الحسن أضم النور حين أرى مرايا الضوء تغسلني فلي قلبان من شغل بشيء آخر عني بشيء.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have so, give a big thumbs up and leave your beautiful comments below. And for purchasing this beautiful turban, you guys can contact to the number given in the description, WhatsApp number and Telegram number. Allah Hafiz till my next video.